beep, beep, beep.
Shaped food shaper. This doesn't actually cook eggs or pancakes by itself, but what this will do is shape your food into an impressive
Oh my gosh.
shape.
Is it like a cookie cutter?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh.
This person turned right in front of the bus. The school bus. I mean, like, they couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah,
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
157. I just,
I don't know.
I feel so bad. I kind of find it hard to believe. Okay, a person sitting in the middle of the road on his phone.
Yep.
Standing in the middle of the road.
Yep. Oh my gosh. That was weird, dude.
That's weird. They did not.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Oh, goody. Yes, of course. Why not just cut into the line? That would just be awesome. See, this is something I never think of doing. Oh, look, and then they want to go over.
Oh my God.
They want to go all the way over.
And they went across a section here.
Okay, Garmin.
How can you tell?
It's just stupid person. Uh-huh.
Wow, you have two horns.
Yeah. What the?
I know, right? Ugh.
I think I just peed a little.
I mean,
I don't understand.
what, other people don't get double doubles? What the or
Oh my
fries?
God. They just hit it. They just hit that
Okay,
pole.
Garmin. Body's just weird.
Whoa. That was freaky. Did you? What the hell?
Tip over.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you gonna go now or never? Never?
I'm not gonna go. I guess they want to do the full turn all at once.
I don't understand.
They're waiting for the other person.
Oh, look
to
at look. He's going the wrong way. That's not how you go. Freaking tard. Douchebag. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What I like is your video says, "Oh, okay, Garmin, save video." I mean, damn, right?
A snowstorm is moving through the region. Expect reduced visibility and severe ice on the road out
Oh
there.
my God.
Brutal blizzards hitting hard on Dalton Highway. Stay safe if you're in the area.
Sorry.
10-1. Say again, buddy.
That she's not going to slow down.
She's going to
But
turn wide and run
gonna,
into you.
She's gonna go way wide, but still drive super fast. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Okay, Garmin.
Okay, Garmin.
Save video.
Save video.
Damn.
Dude, we really got to get our videos. That was bad.
Yeah, that was sad.